Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are happy, hope you are not panicking, and hope that everyone is eagerly waiting Bitcoin's next move, because yes, we are looking at a big move and we don't know in which direction and when that will be, but I can tell that it will be soon. If you are new to this channel, welcome. And usually we talk about the market here, but I also bring you some deals which could bring you a 5, 10, 20x gain. My specialty is to bring some IDOs which don't require to lock 5, 10, $50,000 on the launchpad. So if you're interested in those kind of things, press the subscribe button and you will get those info every week. Now, let's go and check what is happening on the market. As you can see, Bitcoin here, Bitcoin is at the 38,500. We are battling with this resistance, which is the 40,000. That is a very, very big psychological zone. And that was the support for which everyone said that if we break this, then we will go into the bear market. Well, we broke it. We are not in the bear market yet. And we are trying to break through again, to go up. Now, whether we will be successful or not, we don't know, but it's pretty important because right now S&P 500 is recovering, the Dow Jones Industries is recovering, and if they recover and start to go or grow like slowly but in a clear uptrend, that would mean that Bitcoin will have some very good movements and people will start to reinvest in Bitcoin, because they see that, okay, the market is in healthy position and we are not under risks. Now, Ethereum is at 2,766 and as you can see, it is battling the 50-day moving average. Now, the one thing which I would really like to see Ethereum is to go for the all-time high and above. We won't see that until Bitcoin goes to the all-time high. Usually, Bitcoin goes up and Ethereum confirms, and that's how we know that, okay, we are in a bull trend and it's not a fake out. Now, what I wanted to show you is the watchtheburn.com. As you can see, in the last month, $1 billion worth of Ethereum was burned. Since this whole thing started, almost $5 billion worth of Ethereum was burned. This is bullish. It means that less and less supply is on the market, and by each or with each transaction, some Ethereum gets burned. So what we need to look at? We need to look at this line, this trend line, the yellow one I just highlighted here, because as soon as we break it and we don't go back down, so yeah, it's not a fake out, but maybe a confirmation, so something like this, and then we go above the 40k, which is very important because of very important resistance, and maybe confirm that as well. That's when people will start to long Bitcoin, which is obviously very, very dangerous, and you can always expect a long squeeze, which means that the price goes down and it does something like that and then continues. This is just to liquidate those big leverage longs. Nevertheless, 40k first, 50k second. Those are the biggest psychological levels. Those are the levels we need to beat. Elrond is at the $154 without any big announcements. We had very big announcements. We have several announcements and a lot of coins are coming to the Maillard DEX. Now I don't know what will be the effect on the Maillard DEX token max, but I am sure that it will grow somehow. As soon as there will be a couple of announcements that you need, I don't know, you need max or locked max or staked Elrond to join this and this project. Someone mentioned that nobody sees or we don't have big projects on Elrond network, and that is true. Aside from HoloRide, we don't know whether these other projects will be as big one as we are expecting. Maybe QoWatt, if they continue like this with the partnerships and building the system and the grid, will be pretty big. But we are still waiting for some kind of announcements, and I have somehow this feeling that something is coming, and staked Elrond and the locked max will be very important for that listing. But we will see. We are only at the beginning of the year. Okay, what I brought to you? I brought to you two games. For one, the IDO is ongoing and you can join anytime. You still have 13 days. and that is the Battleverse here, the multi-chain play-to-earn metaverse. I think this will be on the phone, and yeah, you can buy NFTs. There will be tournaments. At the end, you will be able to buy lands, to mine resources, so on, in order to make your team, your crew as big as possible, and to win, to earn. Now, they are listed on through PNL. I hope it's visible here, and you can jump into the IDO with as low as $100. You don't need to lock PNL, GPNL, the PNL's token. You will see other projects on the launch app, and some of them require, some of them don't. Battleverse doesn't require that, therefore anyone with 100 USDT can participate. The one thing I want to mention is that you will not have all the tokens at the listing, because you will get only 2%, and then you will have 1% in the second month, 2% on the third month, and then 5% monthly. This is so nobody would dump all the coins, or everybody wouldn't dump all their coins at the pump and dump, what we could see on any exchange listings. If you believe that this is a good project, and the reason I'm not going into more deeply, because I want to make your own research, one thing I can say, I am going to invest because it's $100. Last thing, which is very important and you need to pay attention to it, is that this is on the BSC network, even though they are asking for 100 USDT, meaning that if you have USDT on one of the exchanges which you want to send to your MetaMask, which you need to connect to through PNL, you have to send it on the Binance Smart Chain network, okay, not on the ERC20. So you will have 100 USDT on your MetaMask on the BSC network, and that's how you can use it or take it and deposit it into the Battleverse IDO. If you want more information, just type in Battleverse. You will go on their website and you will find there everything: introductions, white papers, game characters, everything you need to know. I will put the link in the description. Next one, the last one, which seems very interesting, and it is today, so it's kind of urgent, is the Mask Society. I just saw it at Christian Kifoyu and it seems very interesting to me. Now, if you want to mint a mask, which you can stake to earn tokens, that will be 0.04 Ethereum, and the minting will happen at 4 o'clock UTC. So you have to be sure that you prepare your Ethereum in your MetaMask for this as well, and this is on Ethereum network, okay? So don't send the Ethereum on BSC and the USDT on Ethereum, because that's not gonna work. You have to make sure that if you want to invest in both of these projects, you have to have Ethereum on Ethereum blockchain or Ethereum wallet on MetaMask, and you need to switch in MetaMask to Binance chain here. I'm on Binance right now, and I need to switch it to Ethereum, and then I can mint. Okay, last one, QoWatt. QoWatt pre-sale is happening today. If you are whitelisted, then you are in priority for the first half an hour. You will be able to buy only bronze, which will be 1.995 Elrond for 10,000 QoWatt tokens, and the whitelist now is closed. So if you are whitelisted for phase 4, as I was, you didn't need to do anything. If you want to start to get whitelisted right now, you can't get whitelisted for phase 5. You will get whitelisted for phase 6. So if you miss this out and you want to participate in the next phase of the token sale, then do the whitelist nevertheless, and you will get opportunity to buy QoWatt tokens in the phase 6. Obviously the prices are increasing from phase to phase. That is the idea. Only 3,330 packages will be available, and I just want to point out that there are 6,000 members on the Telegram group, and I'm sure that there will be others who just coming from Twitter, from YouTube, so on. So you have to be very, very fast. If you want to know why your web wallet is too slow, go and check the live stream I had on Sunday, because at the end of the video I'm telling you how you can speed up the process. So this is all I want to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the content, press the like button, because yeah, that's how you give me the feedback that you like what I do. And don't forget to subscribe. Take care.